Gangsters taken out by cops in Bedward Gardens were linked to nearly 20 murders, this according to the police.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Viewers, on Wednesday the 10th of March, a joint police-military team embarked upon an intelligence-driven targeted operation with the aim of apprehending members of the Bedward Gardens-based Berry Gang. For months, members of this criminal organization have been raining terror on the lives and livelihoods of the residents of Augustown, Papine, Tavern, and the neighboring communities. Now, during the operation, a group of men allegedly opened gunfire on members of the security forces. However, through the superior training and experience of the JSAFE and JDF team, 5 of the gunmen were shot and killed, while 7 weapons, including high-powered assault rifles and pistols, were seized. The operation is a major development in the counter-gang strategy of the constabulary, as the Berry Gang has been one of the gangs that has contributed significantly to the levels of crime and violence, particularly in the St. Andrew Central Police Division. Among the gangsters who died during the operation was a reputed gang leader, Colin Mingos, otherwise called Speng. He was previously charged with the June 2011 murder of Michael Jonas, otherwise called Douche, along Augustown Road in Kingston 7. Mingos was also implicated in the murder of Ripton Jones, otherwise called Fraser or Uzi, on Monday the 6th of April 2020 along University Road in Augustown, and that of Corneal Henry, otherwise called Gaza, of Bedward Gardens, Kingston 7, on Sunday the 20th of August 2020. The reputed gang leader was also identified as one of the men who opened fire on members of the Jamaica Defence Force on Sunday the 7th of March this year at the intersection of June Road and Barrett Drive, Augustown in Kingston 7. Jelani Palmer, otherwise called Short Boss, was a prominent member of the gang who was previously charged with the April 2018 murder of Gary McGregor, otherwise called Blimps, along Mona Road in Kingston 6. He was also implicated in a quintuple murder on the 26th of January 2018 along Mona Road, which saw the deaths of Ricardo Manhertz, otherwise called Nakia, Ricardo Clark, otherwise called Ricky Tiki or Ricky, Akeem Sanchez, Jason Waller, and Victor McKenzie. Additionally, he was implicated in the shooting of 2 men also committed on Friday the 26th of January 2018 along Mona Road, as well as the shooting of another man on May 14, 2020 along Escarpment Road. O'Neal Dixon, otherwise called Day, was being sought by the police in connection with the August 2019 killing of Wayne Robert Riley Jr. along the Augustown Main Road. He was also one of the subjects of investigations into 2 shooting incidents in 2019. He was identified as one of the men who fired on members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force assigned to the St. Andrew Central Search Team on the 1st of March 2019. He was also implicated in the August 22nd, 2019 shooting of a man along the Augustown Main Road. Tafari Dell, otherwise called Johnny, was also believed to be a prominent member of the Berry Gang, who was designated as wanted for the shooting with intent and wounding with intent of 2 men on the 16th of March 2019. This along Golding Avenue in the vicinity of the Hope Institute, and was named as a person of interest in the May 1, 2020 murder of Marcus Walsh, otherwise called Rude Boy, along Augustown Road. Through the use of CCTV footage, Dell was implicated in a case of robbery with aggravation, which was committed on Tuesday the 12th of January this year at about 9 a.m. at the University of the West Indies Mona campus. Closing out the list is Akeem McLean, otherwise called Tilo. He is believed to be another prominent member of the gang, who was identified as one of the men who opened fire at members of the Jamaica Defence Force team on Sunday the 7th of March this year at the intersection of June Road and Barrett Drive, Augustown, Kingston 7. Now, according to the police, while one of the broad objectives of the constabulary's counter-gang strategy continues to be the apprehension of alleged gangsters and placing them before the courts, they will continue to utilize intelligence, science, and technology to neutralize such threats with appropriate use of force. We would like to thank the law-abiding citizens for their continued operation and adherence to the rule of law, the JCF said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!